Welcome to another exciting episode of Wildlife Wonders. Today, we'll be talking about one of the most common yet captivating creatures you'll find in your backyard, the squirrel. From their incredible agility to their complex communication, squirrels are more than just cute, bushy-tailed animals. Stick around as we uncover the secrets of these remarkable rodents. Squirrels belong to the family Sciuridae, which includes small or medium-sized rodents. The family encompasses tree squirrels, ground squirrels, chipmunks, marmots, flying squirrels, and prairie dogs. These creatures are native to the Americas, Eurasia, and Africa, and have also been introduced to Australia. But what makes these animals so unique? Let's start with their physical characteristics. Squirrels are known for their agility and acrobatic abilities. They have strong, flexible bodies and large hind legs that allow them to leap significant distances. Their bushy tails, which often appear larger than their bodies, serve multiple purposes. Not only do they help with balance when navigating treetops, but they also function as a blanket in cold weather and a rudder when they jump. The tail is an essential tool for communication as well. Squirrels use their tails to signal to each other. For example, a flicking tail can indicate alarm or agitation. This is just one part of their complex communication system. Squirrels are very vocal animals. They use a variety of sounds to communicate, including chirps, barks, and purrs. These sounds can convey different messages, such as warnings of nearby predators or calls to potential mates. Scientists have identified several distinct calls used by squirrels, each serving a unique purpose. Social interactions among squirrels can be quite intricate. While some species, like the tree squirrels, tend to be more solitary, others, like the ground squirrels, live in large colonies and display highly social behaviors. They groom each other, play together, and even participate in cooperative care of young ones in some cases. One of the most well-known behaviors of squirrels is their food gathering and storage. Squirrels are primarily herbivores, feeding on nuts, seeds, fruits, and buds. However, some species have been known to consume insects, small animals, and even bird eggs. Their diet varies depending on the species and the availability of food. Tree squirrels are famous for their habit of burying nuts to store food for the winter. This behavior, known as caching, ensures they have enough food during the colder months when resources are scarce. Interestingly, squirrels have an incredible memory that helps them locate these buried treasures. Studies have shown that they use spatial memory and landmarks to find their caches. But they don't always remember where they've buried every single nut. Some of these forgotten caches can lead to the growth of new trees, making squirrels accidental contributors to forest regeneration. This mutual relationship between squirrels and their environment highlights the important ecological role they play. Speaking of the environment, let's talk about where squirrels live. Tree squirrels, as their name suggests, live in trees. They build nests, also known as drays, out of twigs, leaves, and other materials. These nests are often located high in the branches to provide safety from predators. Ground squirrels, on the other hand, dig extensive burrow systems underground. These burrows can be quite complex, with multiple entrances and tunnels leading to different chambers used for sleeping, storing food, and raising young. Ground squirrels are known to be excellent diggers, capable of creating burrows that are both deep and wide. And then there are the flying squirrels. Despite their name, flying squirrels don't actually fly. Instead, they glide using a special membrane called the patagium, which stretches from their wrists to their ankles. This allows them to move between trees without coming down to the ground, helping them evade predators and find food more efficiently. Their ability to glide is an excellent example of adaptation. Adaptations are crucial for survival, and squirrels have evolved several traits to help them thrive in various environments. For instance, their sharp claws and strong limbs make them adept climbers, while their keen senses of sight and smell help them detect food and danger. Squirrels have a long history with humans. They have been depicted in art and literature for centuries, symbolizing different things in various cultures. In Native American folklore, squirrels are often seen as messengers or tricksters. In other cultures, they are symbols of preparedness and resourcefulness. In modern times, squirrels have adapted to urban environments quite well. They are a common sight in parks, gardens, and even city streets. Urban squirrels face different challenges than their wild counterparts, such as avoiding cars and finding food in a concrete jungle. Yet, they thrive, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Interactions between squirrels and humans can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, they provide joy and entertainment for many people. Feeding squirrels in parks is a popular activity, and watching their playful antics can be a delightful experience. However, they can also be pests, raiding bird feeders, chewing on electrical wires, and sometimes invading homes. To mitigate these issues, many people have devised clever solutions, like squirrel-proof bird feeders and humane traps to relocate them. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to coexist peacefully with these fascinating creatures. Scientific research on squirrels has provided valuable insights into their behavior, physiology, and role in ecosystems. Studies on their caching behavior have shed light on memory and cognitive processes. Research on their social interactions has improved our understanding of animal communication and social structures. Ecologically, squirrels play a significant role in forest dynamics. By burying nuts and seeds, they help with plant dispersion and forest regeneration. Their burrowing activities aerate the soil, promoting plant growth. Additionally, they serve as prey for a variety of predators, including birds of prey, snakes, and mammals. Reproduction in squirrels varies among species, but generally, they breed once or twice a year. After a gestation period of about 30 to 45 days, the female gives birth to a litter of young, called kits or pups. The young are born blind and hairless, depending entirely on their mother for care. As they grow, they develop the skills needed to survive independently. The life cycle of a squirrel is fascinating. From helpless newborns to agile adults, their journey is full of challenges and learning. Juvenile squirrels spend a lot of time playing, which helps them develop the necessary physical and social skills for adulthood. Life expectancy varies, with many wild squirrels living 6 to 12 years, though many do not survive past their first year due to predation and other risks. Conservation efforts are crucial for certain squirrel species. While many are thriving, others are endangered due to habitat loss, climate change, and human activities. Organizations around the world are working to protect these species through habitat restoration, research, and education. There are ways you can help squirrels too. Providing food and water, planting native trees and shrubs, and creating safe spaces in your garden can make a big difference. Remember, small actions can have a significant impact on the well-being of local wildlife. Squirrels are remarkable creatures, embodying agility, intelligence, and adaptability. Whether they're scurrying up trees, burying nuts, or gliding through the air, they offer us a glimpse into the wonders of nature. Next time you see a squirrel, take a moment to appreciate the incredible life of this tiny acrobat. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of squirrels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife wonders. Hit the bell icon to get